Hi, today I want to talk to you guys about the CandyCare Disposable Protective Face Mask. The CandyCare mask is at the forefront of disposable protective masks due to its safe, snug, secure, and protective fit for all users. Built with a highly regarded, breathable central layer, it ensures overall support and strength. The mask will always remain high quality, safe, and a non-medical product for personal use only. To correctly wear the face mask, place the blue side facing outwards and the white side facing inwards towards your face. Wrap the elastic loops around your ears and pull the mask upwards and downwards, and then pinch the wire around your nose to create a snug and secure fit. The mask should be snug and secure under your chin too. And remember, always wash your hands before applying and removing the mask. If the mask gets wet or sweaty, just toss it. Let me show you why CandyCare masks are real, secure, and safe. CandyCare masks have a 3-layer filter, which proves that it's a real mask. If you were to cut away from the edges and reveal the inside, you will find 3 different layers. This middle layer is what is going to protect you from dust, particles, and debris that could enter through the nose and mouth. CandyCare masks are actually fully waterproof. If you were to actually pour water into them, they will actually hold the water with no leaks or spills. If you peel away the outer layers of the filter to reveal the middle layer, and you try to light it on fire, it will not catch fire. It's a real filter that's going to protect you.